Hacking Your Confidence Part 2. Let's say you have an important meeting or any other occasion where you need to be confident and stable, but you feel rather nervous or you feel like you're not at ease. Pay attention to your breathing. Your breathing will make a big difference of how you approach a situation, how you feel about it, and how you will respond in it. We as humans tend to breathe very flat, like short breath, when we are nervous, when we are stressed. It's our fight or flight response. So how can you tell your body that you're not scared and that you're not in a fight or flight mode, even if the situation is intimidating? Breathing, deep breath, at least 6 times deep in and slowly out. 6 times minimum, if necessary more often. With that simple technique, you are communicating to your body that everything is safe, nothing will happen, and that you are in control. There is no threat. Pay attention how your body starts relaxing. Don't focus on what is in front of you in the sense of what may scare you. Focus on your breathing. You may have to practice it so that on the long run it will be easier and an automatic reaction from you to learn to take deep breath and to practice on day-to-day life deep breathing in order to face challenging situations. As a life and leadership coach, I use all the techniques I share with you in my own life. If you want to live and lead with a positive impact and mind, follow me for more.